How do you develop the ability to play rhythm chords spontaneously and flawlessly? Rhythm is one of those things that you have to be doing it for a long time to become good at it. Like some things you can do for a shorter period of time. So I can teach you about passing chords, and it's easy to apply like a certain concept, like let's say a C7, like this chord here, going to F minor, and understanding that to be the circle of fifths, and just getting down to the piano and start to apply that. But rhythm, people spend the rest of their lives trying to play certain rhythms, because rhythms are challenging. So how do you become flawless at it? Well, when I was growing up in the Bahamas, I learned to play drums first. And in learning to play drums, I would go to drum lessons, and my teacher would have me learn certain rhythms, like for different styles of music. So one rhythm might be like bossa nova, or he might have me learn something that was very like localized, which was Bahamian music, which is called rake and scrape. So it sounds something like this. He just had me learn different rhythms, soca rhythms, reggae. So anyway, so what I would recommend is that piano players do the exact same, is that they focus on a particular genre of music, and then they try to understand all of the rhythmic elements regarding that genre, and then move on to another genre. So that would be my recommendation. And so if you like, I think a good recommendation for a lot of gospel piano players would be to, obviously you're learning gospel, but to actually like learn funk rhythms. And so I have a funk rhythm that I like to just jam out on the piano with. It goes like this. And so there's a YouTube video that has that, where I'm talking about different rhythms, so you could learn that there.